Want to create stunning website designs without coding or hiring a designer? You can now do it completely free using Claude AI. Just open Claude AI and type a prompt like, "Create a modern e-commerce homepage." You can create landing pages, portfolio websites, business sites, and even e-commerce designs. Want to create stunning website designs without coding? First enter this prompt according to your need. Claude instantly generated a website layout. A modern e-commerce homepage for a fashion clothing store with a banner, featured products, navigation menu, and newsletter section. Then improve the design with another prompt. Make the design more premium and minimalist with soft colors and modern fonts. Next, I asked Claude to add more sections using prompt. Now Claude AI is updating the website layout automatically, and within seconds, the homepage gets new sections with fresh product cards and customer reviews added to the design. You can keep refining the website step by step just by using simple prompts like this. Here I added a new prompt to optimize it. Then Claude optimized it for mobile using add a responsive mobile-friendly layout with a sticky navigation bar. And finally, I asked Claude AI to improve the overall UI and make the website look more modern and professional. And within seconds, Claude AI redesigned the entire website with a cleaner layout, better styling, and a more professional look. You can keep refining the design further with simple prompts for colors, animations, sections, and responsiveness, all without writing code. And that's how you can create stunning website designs using Claude AI completely free. Follow LearnWoo for more WooCommerce tutorials.